Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In today's video, let's discuss about Mamaearth Ultra Light Indian Sunscreen. So the price of this sunscreen is 499 rupees for 80 ml of quantity, which is quite affordable as compared to other sunscreens. So this comes in a plastic tube packaging. It has a flip open cap. It has a very creamy texture. It has slight yellow tint to it because of the presence of turmeric in this product. Once you apply it, it gets absorbed in 4 to 5 minutes and it gives a matte finish. Definitely lightweight as compared to a lot of other cream based sunscreens, but not ultra lightweight like how you would feel with a gel based sunscreen. Another important factor is that it does not leave any white cast after application. Next important part is the ingredients of this sunscreen. In case you're not interested in this part of the video, you can skip it through the timestamps in the description box. There is a complete list of ingredients of this product. Now these are all of the sunscreen filters that they have added in this product. Now this has one physical filter and all others are chemical filters, so I wouldn't call it a physical sunscreen, I would call it more of a chemical sunscreen. First sunscreen filter that they have used is titanium dioxide, which is a physical filter. All of these other filters that I'll be talking about are chemical filters that they have added in this particular product. Second sunscreen filter which they have added in this product is Parsol MCX, which is also known as octinoxate. It gives protection against UVB rays of the sun. Third sunscreen filter is avobenzone, which gives UVA protection. Fourth one is octocrylene, which gives UVB protection. Fifth and the last sunscreen filter is bimotrizinol, which is also popularly known as Tinosorb S, which is one of the modern day filters, which is proven to be highly effective and one of the best sunscreen filters out there in the market right now. So not only is this broad spectrum, which means it gives protection from UVA as well as UVB rays of the sun, it helps in stabilizing other non-stable sunscreen agents. Not forgetting the other ingredients present in the sunscreen, these are all of the moisturizing ingredients that they have added, and these are the viscosity controlling ingredients and perfuming ingredients. So time for the overall views about this particular product. One great thing about this product is that it does not leave any white cast, and it's very difficult to find a good sunscreen in the Indian market which does not leave any white cast. So this is one really positive aspect about this product. So after application, this leaves a matte finish on the face. Okay, now coming to the performance part of this product, it does the job of a sunscreen pretty well. I have used it the entire last summer and sometimes during the winter as well. Now because of lockdown, we're not frequently going out, but whenever I have used it, I did feel that this does not after applying the sunscreen, it does not cause tanning or burns the skin. So it is doing the job of a sunscreen pretty decently. Now coming to the cons, which is the negative aspects of this product. First important thing is it has quite a prominent fragrance in it. They have added essential oils like Lang Lang oil, which is also known as Kananga oil, and orange oil. After an hour of application, the fragrance still lingers. Especially the essential oil which they have used, which is orange oil, may not suit all skin types. But I do want to mention that I have extremely oily, acne prone skin, and I have used this product for quite a long time. It did not cause any reaction on my skin, but you have to make sure that you remove the sunscreen properly at the end of the day. So that is all from my overall review of this Mamaearth Ultra Light Indian Sunscreen. I hope you found something useful in this video, and I hope I have covered everything and it helps you decide whether you would like to try out this product or not. And if you found this review to be useful, make sure that you hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you are also subscribed so that you do not miss a new video whenever it is uploaded, as I make a lot of skincare review these days. I do makeup tutorials as well sometimes, so please stay tuned for more. And that's all from this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.